Nice job. Okay, now we're going to work on segmenting our onset and rhyme. So our onset is still our small square and our rhyme is our small rectangle. So we're going to go ahead and put them together for the whole word. I'm going to say the word and then I'm going to segment them into their two parts. So my word is shell. Watch as I do this. Just watch the first time. Shell. My onset is sh. My rhyme, L. So I separate them apart. I'm segmenting them. Let's try them together. So go ahead and keep yours together. And now listen to my words. Repeat the word after me. My word is bell. Say bell.
Bell.
Onset. Rhyme.
L.
Good job. You pull them apart. Go ahead and put them back together. My word is well. Say well.
Well. L.
Good job. Back together. My word is tell.
Tell. L.
Good. Let's try another one. Put it back together. Okay, my word is vest.
Vest.
Show me.
S.
Good, Vivian. Okay, Maddox, I want you to show me with your manipulative. Are you ready? My word is vest. Say vest.
Vest.
Look at yours and show me how to segment it.
S.
Nice job. Okay, my word is west.
West. S.
Nice job. My word is test.
Test. S.
Beautiful. Nice job. Okay, my next word is nest.
Nest. S.
Nice job. I heard you. Okay, my word is pest.
Pest. S.
Let me hear that one again. Put it together. My word is pest.
Pest. S.
Okay, so I heard, did you hear a little puh? It's an unvoiced sound. So we don't want to feel it on our vocal cords. Say puh. Now let's try the word again. Are you ready? The word is pest.
Pest.
Now when you tell me the first sound, try popping your lips. Ready? And the rhyme? S. Good job. Okay, let's try the word chest.
Chest. S.
Good job.
For more information, please visit readinguniverse.org. Special thanks to Verne Heights Elementary School, Bonita Unified School District, and the Los Angeles County Office of Education. Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and 2 anonymous donors. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
This is Reading Universe.